Looking to embark on a new leisure development project? Let's walk through our proven process together. As the UK's leading leisure development partner, our collaborative approach is aligned with RIBA's Plan of Work to bring your vision to life. As public sector experts, we begin by understanding your unique needs and aspirations, leveraging data and insights to build a robust business case. We advocate early contractor engagement to ensure designs are buildable and affordable. We conduct detailed surveys to identify potential risks and engage stakeholders to refine the product mix, gathering valuable community input. Throughout pre-construction, our team drives value, challenges assumptions, and identifies efficiencies without compromising quality. Planning is submitted as final contractor proposals are approved, with a finalised risk register and contract value agreed. Alliance Leisure then takes the lead on delivery and construction. We enter the building contract, handling unforeseen challenges, acting as your single point of accountability. Our robust account management ensures quality, safety, and delivery against agreed outcomes. Post-completion, we manage snagging, defects, and system commissioning and support your mobilization through launch marketing, recruitment, and PR. Our team remains involved, ensuring long-term success for your facility and your community.